Right guys, so welcome to Sony 16. I think it's about time we get started. Now, so far I have survived and pretty much gone through my university life with my phone. I created one or two documentaries, a couple news stories, but I think now that I've graduated, it's probably time I could take it up a notch and see what else I could take out from it. So I decided to go for the Sony A6400. Now what's this? A little guide. Another guide, and this one. Boom. And another paper. And we do that. Right, let's see, what else do we have? Power plug. I'm not too sure what this is, but I guess we'll find out later. Of course, the strap. You have the Sony logo right there. Battery. Show me the gift. Oh, what's this? A USB adapter. A USB plug. And now, the main event. Let's take this box out of the way, don't need it no more. Finito, gone, ciao. Hasta luego. Woo. Look at that. Ladies and gents, the Sony Alpha 6400. Of course, if you compare this to DSLR cameras, it's tiny. It is pretty small. I mean, look at that. I mean, that is tiny. Now, on paper, this camera is supposed to track you at a rate of 0.02 seconds with this autofocus ability. It's supposed to be the world's fastest. Now, one of the things I do like about this camera is its 3-inch LCD screen, which you can, of course, change it into different positions you want to film yourself. This does also come up. So, not bad at all. Now it is a little bit strange that when you put the screen like this, it does cover up the bottom side of the screen. Come on Sony, I want to see the whole screen, not just that bit. Now this camera is supposed to have a built-in microphone, which I believe is at the top. But if you do want to plug in your own microphone, it is available for you to do so in this little side. Or you can actually get an XLR adapter, which you attach to the top of this thing, which I'm probably going to be getting because I'm more of a fan of XLR microphones than, than 3.5mm jack. I like to have control of how much gain I'm able to put on that microphone. Now, at some point, I will be uploading a video about how it goes with this camera and how much I've learned from it. But from now, I think the important thing is I finally have a camera and I can finally get started. And this has been Sony 16.